What's up, Magic friends? That's right. It's a conspiracy. Let's open it. We're chasing after a few cards. Hopefully we knock down that Vedalken, maybe a Reflection Pool, a Mirara's Wake, Exploration, Dark Raiden, I don't know. I'm gonna get into it. Got one pack. Got it for $1. Let's go through this nice and slow. We can see it right now. Okay. There we go, nice and slow. Come on, where's that? Give me that good myth. Tragic slip and a dip. Spontaneous combustion. Getting there. Sucks. It's in there. Foil is a, whatever. Well, that's it. Thanks for tuning in.